Hey Tom, it's Brandon from Phi. Just wanted to take a moment to send this video over to you like we talked about on the phone. Basically what I want to do is just show you a couple things in my research to what it would take to help you optimize your website a little bit more so that you can rank higher on Google and connect with more customers, right? So basically what I want to show you is there's essentially three different things that Google is paying attention to. They look at like your keywords and content, citations, and backlinks, right? And then all of that kind of plays into your Google My Business page as well. So when I look up auto glass repair in Longview, Texas, then basically you'll see the top three that show up. And the top three are right here. Just statistics speaking, customers are most likely going to click on the websites that are listed in these top three. Now they can click over on more businesses and they will find you if they do that. You're currently sitting in the number 7 spot when I did the research. So, there's room for growth and room for you to improve and get up higher in the Google Maps so that you're able to connect with more customers. And so I just want to cover a few things that will help with that. Basically, when you're looking at a website, like it's good to have a good looking website that's kind of sleek and appealing to the eye and stuff, because that's what customers are going to pay attention to. And they say don't judge a book by its cover, but people look pretty, they do. So when they're looking at your website, the look and the feel of it is important. But to be honest with you, Google is actually less concerned with how sleek a website looks. They're looking at those three elements that I already mentioned. And so I want to cover those things. So when we're talking about your keywords and content, basically Google likes to see a couple thousand words of content on the homepage. So if you're able to implement that onto your homepage and then import certain keywords into it as well, then that's going to go a long way for Google recognizing and kind of picking up on what's going on your website. And so if we click over here and look at some of the keywords that are out there for that Google pays attention to, you can see windshield repair Longview, Texas gets over 200 searches a month. Auto glass repair Longview, Texas gets 90 searches a month. So, and then there's a handful more. Glass company, Longview, Texas, 40 more. So there's definitely over 300 searches every single month that you would be able to tap into if you just knew how to implement the right content and the right keywords into your website and stuff like that. And so that's the first part for keywords and content. The next thing is citations. Citations is basically like your business name, address, phone number, etc. as it appears on the internet. And so I ran the numbers for that. I use a tool called Whitespark. If you wanted to grab that on your own, you could. But when I put in the businesses for auto glass repair in the area, you can see that you're actually sitting at 33. So you're doing really well. The number one person has 37. That was the number one in the Google Maps. So if you ramp up your citation count just a little bit, then you would be able to rank higher as far as the citations go on that end. And then the last thing is backlinks. Oh, and just real quick on the citations, that's basically getting your business information on a bunch of online directories and stuff like that. So, and then on backlinks is when someone clicks on a website and then they click a link and that link directs them to your website. That's what a backlink is. And so it's kind of similar to the citations. It's like the more your business is popping up all over the internet, the more Google finds you and notices and thinks, oh, I guess that they should be ranking higher because they're showing up over here, over there, over here, and here, and here. And then it tells them that they should be paying attention and ranking you higher. So when it comes to backlinks, what I did is I ran some numbers, and if we click on the on-time auto, which was the number one in the map pack for auto glass, you can see they have 49 backlinks, and then the number 3 spot had 95 backlinks. Now this one had less citation counts, and so that's why there's like a discrepancy in the ranking. But basically, if 45 to 95 backlinks would start to qualify you to ranking in the top 3. And all of it is kind of a cohesive thing. So if you import your keywords and content, if you update your citation count, and you add some more backlinks, then you'll be able to start outranking the competition. And just for reference, here's where your information is. It's not finding any backlinks, and it's only noticing 3 keywords. So if we make some adjustments to your website to add more keywords and to implement the backlinks, then that'll help tremendously with outranking those top 3 spots, right? And so essentially, all of that, if you do all of that on your website, the keywords, content, citations, and backlinks, that will also coincide with your Google My Business page as well. So it all works together cohesively. And then you can also go in and make some updates on your Google My Business page so that you're actually, you can add a business description. You can put photos of maybe before and after photos or stuff like that. And then, you can add keywords and content to the back side of those photos and things like that. So essentially that's what I do, is I help businesses kind of improve their online presence so that they can rank higher, because if you do make it into this top 3 spots, then you're definitely going to take advantage of, 300 plus searches every month that are coming in for auto glass repair. And so the more of those that you can capitalize on, the better. And I want to help you do that. So just reach back out to me after you've finished watching this. I'd love to connect with you more and kind of get a feel for what your goals are and see if I can help you down that path. So thanks for your time. You have a blessed day.